Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum. Now firstly, I'd like to just explain what hyaluronic acid is and what it does. So hyaluronic acid is a molecule that naturally occurs in your skin. It holds and attracts 1,000 times in weight in moisture within your skin. It helps your skin to maintain elasticity, keeping wrinkles at bay. As we age, our natural supply of hyaluronic acid depletes, which is why it is such an important product to include into your anti-aging skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid is known for instantly plumping the skin to minimize fine lines. This is due to the use of sodium hyaluronate, large molecules which hydrate and protect the skin surface. For even deeper hydration and longer lasting anti-age results, the Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum is formulated with smaller hyaluronic acid molecules that penetrate deeper into the skin. Now the benefits are huge. It will hydrate, smooth and plump the surface of the skin. It will also encourage the skin's own production of hyaluronic acid for long-lasting hydration and anti-aging. It will also prevent the breakdown of collagen to reduce the signs of aging and instantly smooth and soften the skin for all-day hydration. The Hyaluronic Boosting Serum is suitable for a dry, dehydrated and sensitive skin, a skin that is red and reactive and has impaired barrier function, and for anyone concerned with anti-aging. How you would use the hyaluronic acid boosting gel would be after cleansing, so you would apply to the entire face, neck and décolletage in the morning and evening for your maximum skin hydration and plumping. You would follow this in the morning with your appropriate PCA SPF product in the day and your moisturizer in the evening. Just a tip for extra hydration, especially coming up to winter, you might want to use this morning and night. So if you would like to purchase the PCA Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below, or if you would like a further consultation, please, we do now offer our face-to-face video consultations. Have a great day.